Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I got another look for ya. Alright, so I wanted to do something with green today and I was just like, I don't know what to do. I had this green Inglot pigment that I've been dying to use and I've never gotten a chance to use it. So I wanted to do a makeup look and I just was like, oh, I want to do something bold, but I did not want to do a cut crease and I did not want to do a halo eye, and I was just like, oh. So I actually even had to go on Instagram to try to find some kind of inspiration. But I came up with something that I ended up absolutely loving. I did a nice smoky green eye for you guys with a poppin' burgundy lip. Okay, can we take a moment for the eye lip combo? Just a moment of silence. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I absolutely loved how this look came out. So if you guys want to see how this look came out, keep watching. And of course, like, we're not gonna continue the video until you click the button and subscribe. And also click the notification bell so you're notified when I upload another video. Simple as. That's all. Alright guys, so let's get into this look. Okay, do I want to prime with Benefit or do I want to prime with Smashbox? Let's go with Smashbox today. I haven't primed with this in a while, so I'm hating these breakouts. All right. So today I haven't done, okay, so I want to do a green look. I'm kind of all over the place. I wanted to do something green, like a smoky green eye. Haven't done green in a while. I've done one for Christmas with the Pat McGrath palette, but I really want to do like a deeper green smoky eye, and I have this green pigment from Inglot that I've really been wanting to use, and I have had it for a while now and I have not used it yet. So I'm like kind of trying to figure out what kind of look I can do with it. Alright, so today I'm going to be using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I mean, this foundation like really grew on me. Like, this is really one of my favorite foundations right now. So yeah, I was saying I want to do a green look. And honey, I was thinking like about like really snatching the life out of my face today. I just really wanted to do a snatch look for you guys. It's fall. I want to do something green. I want to do a bold lip. So we're gonna see how it works out. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty high coverage creamy concealer. I really like this concealer actually. So I'm going to go in with the color Caramel Corn. I just love how it blends into the foundation. And you really don't have to do a lot of work. That is what I also like. So let me tell y'all. Like, do you guys, I don't know if anyone follows like Sarah Jakes and Teray Roberts. Well, Sarah Jakes Roberts and Teray Roberts on Instagram. But honey, sis is like causing me to want to really get my life. And this is why I always tell you guys, like, Instagram really will help you in trouble, because she was so inspiring. Like, she has lost so much weight. She looks amazing. I'm like, okay, yeah, you're inspiring me to get my life together so I can lose my weight. But honey, guess what? That pizza I ate on Monday is also inspiring me to get my life, okay? So sometimes you just gotta do you until like you are ready to make that change. I mean, it's good to have inspiration, but the pressures. Like, anytime you do something, do it for you. Like, you notice, like, with everyone wants to be a model. Everyone wants to be a model. And don't get me wrong, we as women, we should really want to look good in our clothes, okay? Don't get me wrong. Like, you want to look good. You want your stomach to be flat when you got on that fitted dress. Hello. You want your waistline to be snatched. But just make sure you're doing it for the right reasons. That's my thing. Just always make sure it's for the right reasons. Alright, so I am going to contour with my favorite Black Opal True Color in the color Carob. I'm gonna kind of try to get it around my hairline. Sometimes I like to like switch it up and try to contour with a warm color, just because too much red, and then like when you're bronzing that's like red on top of red, it can be a lot. But I don't know. Snatch that jawline, honey, to kind of hide those extra pounds we put on. And it's like the pressure too is because, like, you know, filming, like anytime you film or take a picture, you always look bigger than you normally are. So it's that like the constant pressure to like always want to look good. I mean, for me, I love looking good. Like, I love being happy with how I look in the mirror, and I love being happy with how I look naked. I was doing good like this summer, honey, but I fell off in life like how we often do. But that's all right. I'm gonna get it together. All right, so I'm gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. Of course, you guys kind of know my routine already. I don't even know why I even include this in my videos. I just like for you guys to see the products that I'm using. All right, so we do next. Yeah, so honey, oh God, about to contour with the wrong color. Sarah and Teray are serving up all kind of couple goals, all kind of weight loss goals, all kind of swag goals, honey. And I ain't mad at them. They better come through one good time. Alright, so because my skin is so dry, I'm going to set with a powder. I mean, I'm going to set with a brush instead. I'm just going to press the powder into my skin. One thing with matte products, like matte foundations, matte concealers, honey, they will accentuate every fine line and wrinkle, okay? And hopefully we can get this snatch going, honey, because I need to be able to get to the store to get my Mega Million tickets, honey, because it is at $1 billion. Whoa! What would you do? Comment in the comments below. What would you do if you were to win $1 billion? Like, honestly, comment in the comments below. What would you do? All right, so I'm gonna do like a green snatch look, like I said. So I'm gonna actually start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. So as you guys know, like when you're carving out a crease or whatever, usually, you know, go with some like oranges. So I'm gonna go in with this color, Saturn, and also this color, Parallel. So I'm gonna go in with Saturn and Parallel. And yeah, I'm gonna mix those two. I really want a nice gradient, so let me see how this is going to come out. Trying to figure out if I should pull out my Huda Beauty palette, but maybe I'll start, you know what, actually I'll start with Eden first. Then go in with Saturn, then go in with Parallel, and we'll see how it goes from there. And I'm gonna take that like really up to the base of my brow bone. All right, so what would I do if I were to win the Powerball? First of all, I would call my mom and tell her to quit her job. Okay? I don't even think I would call my job. I don't even think I would show up. But honey, I would call my mom, tell her to quit her job, tell them people bye. I'll quit my job, honey, and I will be on the next flight to the Bahamas. Well, of course, after I collect my money, but once I get my money and all, I'll make sure my mom is set. I would make sure my brother is set. I'll ask him if he wants to quit his job. I would give him some money, like several $1 million, so he can do what he wants to do. But yeah, I would just like, honestly, people be like, oh, I'm gonna tithe, I'm gonna do this, honey. Let me tell you something. I am gonna splurge. I am gonna splurge like never before. Just to get it out of my system, you know? maybe a couple $100,000, like just a brand new wardrobe, hire a personal trainer, hire a personal chef, and yeah, just, you know, brand new wardrobe, try to get the snatch body, honey. And then after that, I don't know, but honestly, like, I don't even care. Like, even if I don't win $1 billion, like, what's the next amount if you get like freaking 5 out of the 6 numbers? Like, I'd be happy with that, okay? Shoot, I'll be happy with that. Couple G's, you know, get things started, make life a little easier, like 100,000 or something. I wouldn't have to quit my, I mean, I wouldn't quit my job off 100,000, but that's a good investment. Put up some money to invest. Maybe use that to buy some real estate. So I'm gonna take Embark by MAC, and this is a deeper brown. Let me see if I can kind of put it in there. So yeah, like, what would you do? There we go. And that's probably why I wouldn't even win the doggone money. Because most of us, we would not do what God was calling us to do, whether as entrepreneurs, as business starters, if we were to win that money. Like, let's be real. But that's not gonna stop me from playing. Like Wayne Gretzky said, you miss 100% of the shots you refuse to take, honey. So I'm gonna take the color Revenge from the ColourPop times Shayla palette, and I'm just gonna smooth over that brown for a smooth transition. Alright, so I'm gonna take the color Throne, last minute decision, hope it works, and I'm going to just gently place it in my outer corners. And if need to, I will probably go over it with black. Alright, so time to spray. I'm gonna spray my brush. I have this Inglot loose pigment that is so gorgeous. Look at that. So yes. Oh! Alright, so now I'm just gonna blend this. Look. I love how this this loose pigment has flecks of like green and brown in it. Alright, so let me try to do a wing liner. Alright, so I'm gonna add a little bit of pyramid, which is a gold color, right to my inner tear duct. Then going over that with this white gold color called Lucid. Yes, honey. Alright, so I already have my lashes on. You guys know my whole facial routine, so there was no need for me to include it in the video. So let's work on these lips. So I want to do like a deep burgundy lip to go with this bold eye. Since my face is already snatched, I'm very pleased with how this look came out. So let's go ahead and go in with this, one of my favorite colors by ColourPop. This is the color LAX. I haven't worn this in like a hot minute. So I am going to take my time to line my lips with this color. I don't know, maybe, I think I may pop a little bit of another color in the middle, but let's see how this comes out first. I don't want to be too extra. Alright, so let me take my hair down and I will be right back. Alright guys, so here is the final look. What do you think? I love that I chose to go bold with the lips. I don't think I have done like a real dark burgundy lip on this channel. I need to go through my videos, but I don't think I've ever used this. And this LAX color by ColourPop is one of my favorite dark burgundies. So I'm loving how this came out. I mean, it's fall appropriate, honey. It's October appropriate. Come on now. This is the month of the bold, daring makeup looks, okay? And even though I personally don't really celebrate Halloween, honey, I could get down with this, okay? I could appreciate a bold popping green with a deep, deep, deep burgundy lip, okay? This nice red brown lip, I am here for it. So you guys, oh, and if you want to see how I got my hair, this was a wash and go that I did this morning, just using, of course, the Jackie's elongating flaxseed gel. Love this stuff. So if you want to see a tutorial on how I got this look, as you can see, my hair is growing. Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, honey, if you ain't subscribed yet, just come on, just go ahead and click the button, because you practically family anyways. You know, when you have family come over, you know, when you have friends come over and they just like family, so they could go in the kitchen, go in the refrigerator. You ain't got to take them up their plate of food no more. You ain't got to serve them no drinks. Like, if you made it to the end of this video, child, you practically family. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button, okay? You're included in the goodies, okay? All right, guys. So until I talk to you guys again, stay beautiful. Bye.